Tool watches from the Second World War. We get them offered from time to time, and let's talk about it. I just came along a video from these two guys. They are talking about watches from the Second World War. And there are a lot of different variations. They all have one thing in common. Usually they have a small second, and at that time you need to know that there was no kind of digital watch available. It was very important to measure the time accurate. And if you pay close attention here, we even have Lange and Söhne as a kind of manufacturer. From that time, this is probably one of the most expensive watches if you want to buy them today. But let me tell you, if you have them in your hand, they are not feeling high quality, and I wouldn't advise you to buy them. Not because of the history alone, but it's just a piece which is very fragile. And they are usually, almost unwearable. For example, here we have a very huge crown to wear it over a suit or a jacket. They used to wear them on planes. Most of these watches you can pick up for $100, $200, but the thing is, they are not even working, let's say, really. So, if you're in for them, then be sure that they won't measure the time right now accurate. And the service will cost definitely way more than the watch.